was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and the carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. A little more, give a little less. Now you hit the confess. But baby, who you needed me. You've been rolling around shit and roll it up. Let her roll it up. Break it down like a pie, shit would never us. Shit would never us. That's the real on the real, are you serious? How you feel, how you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and the carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. A little more, give a little less. Now you hit the canvas. But baby, who you
Alright love, so I just wanted to come on and show you guys an overview of what the porch is currently looking like. I'm not done, but my dad and my husband did a great job with helping me. I'm going to come back out here tomorrow to finish up. You guys, I absolutely love my Ed chair. It's giving the porch a real vibe, according, you know, with my Buddha heads and my fire pit. I'm really enjoying it. Don't mind the cushions on these chairs. I'm going to actually throw those out because I had those on the front porch and I'm just repurposing them. And y'all, it's very hot and here in Georgia, and we did go ahead and clean off the furniture and everything, but because we're supposed to have a rainstorm tonight, we wanted to bring everything in so that it doesn't get wet again. But I'm gonna come back out here very early tomorrow to finish up, and I will give you guys the final look of my patio.
About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to feel. Brown sugar, I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Brown sugar. Story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo, who my niggas don't pop. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar.
All right, you guys, so I just wanted to give you guys an overview or final look at how my porch turned out. I absolutely love it. I can't wait until we get a ceiling fan out here and a television, but for now it looks amazing. I actually picked these plants up from Amazon. They're the same palm tree plants that I have in my living space, you guys. I love those. The planters, they came from Home Goods. I actually picked this sectional up from Walmart online. My sister purchased this fire pit for us as a housewarming gift from Academy Sports and Outdoors, you guys. I love it. It is amazing at nighttime. I'm gonna see if I can get a nighttime clip. But you guys, I absolutely love this fire pit. It is so beautiful at night. The rug was actually a purchase that we got from Sam's Club a few months ago. It is smaller than what I anticipated, but I absolutely love it. I think it goes well with the planters, you guys, as well as with the fire pit. I also picked up this chair right here from Walmart as well. I have been wanting an egg chair for the longest, and when this one came in stock, I had to snatch it up. I had to snatch it up, you guys. I absolutely love it. And also these pillows, the green pillows that you're seeing, they came from my local home goods store. I purchased these back in March, and when I saw them, I had to have them. And I live in Georgia, and it's very hot. Right now, it's like 103 degrees. It's the 4th of July. So I was at Lowe's looking for plants for my planters, and they actually had this air conditioner on sale, regular $4.99. I was able to pick it up from there for $2.99. Again, I just have that palm tree right there. And this set right here was actually on my front porch. I will link, I'm sorry, I can't talk. I will link the company in the description box. But you guys, repurpose things. Don't throw things out. Repurpose them, reuse them. This little table right here actually goes with the sectional, but I thought it would be a great little conversation piece right here. So I added it right here. I purchased those pillows from Sam's Club, you guys. Sam's Club. I want to say they were like $7.99, $5.99. They were very inexpensive. Excuse that right there. That goes on the fire pit, but I just wanted to give you guys like the full view of what my patio porch is looking like. I'm so excited that we were able to get it screened in. Don't mind the area back there. That's my husband's area. But having it screened in and living in Georgia is a game changer. I can sit out here in the winter time, the summertime, and not have to worry about being ate up by mosquitoes, bugs, ants, you name it. Y'all, like I said, I absolutely love what my back porch is looking like. If you like it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.